हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप्स डे ऑल। हम तो भाई पूरे दिन लोगों की विशेस लेते रहे और उनको विश करते रहे, बट एक कलेक्टिव विश मेरे सारे दोस्तों के लिए। फ्रेंडशिप फ्रेंडशिप हो तो कैसी हो? एवेंजर्स जैसी हो। हैं? क्यों एवेंजर्स जैसी हो? एंड गेम तो देखी होगी, एवेंजर्स सीरीज देखी होगी। एवरीबडी स्टैंड्स बाय एवरीवन. So my very important and maybe let's say very quick message today is any relationship, a mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife, love, basis starts with friendship. And friendship is most important for any relationship. So be a friend to anyone and everyone. And फ्रेंडशिप करोगे, दोस्ती करोगे, तभी तो बात बनेगी किसी से भी. सो फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज फ्रेंडशिप मैटर्स. एंड फ्रेंडशिप मैटर्स in every step. It is not about the fact that it is just a one time friendship और फिर लव हो गया या शादी हो गई, हस्बैंड वाइफ हो गए, so that friendship dies. या even in a teacher child relationship, a mother father child relationship, they say parents are children's best friends, right? So best friends need to be everyone, and that friendship needs to be taken seriously day in and day out. फ्रेंडशिप से ही एम्पथी, सिंपथी, केयरिंग, लव या आगे हस्बैंड वाइफ, वॉट एवर रिलेशनशिप स्टेप्स, द बेसिक स्टेप इज फ्रेंडशिप. एंड आई स्पोक ऑफ द एवेंजर्स. There is a very important Avenger, although all Avengers are important. The first Avenger and maybe the most important and the last Avenger, unless the new series starts, in the end game even, he was the one who passed the baton. He understood the need for, this friendship to carry on in the next generation. So being a very important person, even my t-shirt reads man out of time. I'm not sure whether you can read that properly, but man or woman, one needs to be the person in time, out of time, every time, all the time, each time, whatever time you might consider it. But the friendship needs to go on. It's very important. So be a friend, be empathetic, be sympathetic. Any relationship that you foster starts with a friendship. Happy Friendship Day, my friends. And even if any relationship does not work out or friendship does not work out, I might say that friendships do work out if you hold on as dearly as you want to. And even if any friendship that turned into a relationship did not work out, well, I'm not saying that you can still be friends with the other person. Life again goes back full circle and teaches you that the friendship went missing. It is not any other emotion, but friendship went missing that stemmed into love, that stemmed into anything else. So be friendly, be happy. Happy Friendships Day again. I know I've said it a zillion times, but I'll also be your friend today and suggest to you that you go to the Airdrop website and I'll be a good friend. If you order through me, I'll get you discounts. Lovely gamers accessories and gamer zone. And enjoy. Happy Sunday. Take care. Love you all. Sanskari Ladka. Bye bye. Good night.